Guess whose man is out of town, bitch? It's mine! He should have learned his lesson the first time he left me. Last time I dyed my own hair was probably about like 5 months ago. I dyed it bright red. I have not touched it since then, minus the fact that I did a perm on it. Don't get me wrong, like I'm really feeling this like rose gold color, but like it's time. I'm not one of these YouTubers that like gets a bunch of shit for free. I'm not a beauty guru. I'm not a YouTuber. Huge missed opportunity, by the way, not calling yourselves YouTubers. What are you guys doing? But Sally Beauty, a couple weeks ago, found my address. I don't know how, bitch, I'm hidden. And sent me like a box full of shampoos, conditioners, some nail stuff, and some like really nice looking hair color, okay? And I'm like, that's going on my head. I feel like I'm going on this journey. I don't think I've had a professional touch my hair since the very beginning of 2017, like January. It's gonna be about a year soon since anyone qualified has touched my hair. And you know what? I feel like it's looking better than ever. It's getting some length. Yeah, it might feel dead because I fucking damaged it, but like I'm really having a great time only doing my own hair. So this is like a semi-permanent sapphire. They sent me a permanent black cherry color. I listened to one person talk on the internet and they said permanent hair color is the one that, you know, sort of like lifts and might damage your hair, but like a semi-permanent is like not really a commitment. Like it's gonna wash out. Like maybe it doesn't really penetrate all of your hair. I don't know. Maybe you can research that on your own, but I don't really care. It's just like the time that I got my first and only tattoo, like 10 years ago. It's my mom's and brother's initials, and they were like, you don't want that light pink color. It might fade. And I was like, that sounds fucking great. Let it fade, bitch. What if my family does fucked up shit? Let it fade. I'm kidding. It's like a low commitment tattoo. All I know is that I feel like I've only dyed my hair permanent colors. I've never delved into this world of semi-permanent, because if this is truly semi-permanent, I can do this shit whenever the fuck I want. I only watched one person talk about it, but that's enough for me, because guess who doesn't give a fuck about their hair? Me, bitch. And I feel like it's going great. Maybe that's a sign that today's gonna go bad. Let's surprise the man when he gets home with a beautiful sapphire hair. Now I looked up the swatches of this color online and it looks like a navy blue almost. And I also don't know how this is gonna work since I have like part of this was bleached in the past. This is my natural color. There's clearly some red still here. I don't know, but guess what? It's not a permanent color. It's the semi-permanent color. That means it's gonna be okay, right? Does this part feel like Doritos? Yeah, it does. But you know what? It's all part of the journey. I'm just gonna see how far I can take this without having a hairdresser touch my hair. And yes, I have seen the videos of a hairdresser reacting to me doing my hair. And you know what? Even he thinks they're great. I have great technique. I'm a born natural, bitch. This doesn't even require a developer. I'm just gonna dump this on my head. And if you're one of those people that's too scared to dye your hair, just live vicariously through me, okay? I'll do anything to my hair. Sally Beauty also sent me this. Guess what this says? Coleman gloves. See? It's a thing. All you hairdressers out there cringing at me when I'm just using my gloves to shampoo the color around or whatever. It's a thing. Look, instead of wearing like a dumpy shirt that I don't care about, I just figured I'll wear my favorite shirt so then it forces me to be like more careful. That makes sense, right? Good God, this is dark. Ooh, we making a semi-commitment right now. Fuck it, y'all. Let's go to the dark side. But I hope that it comes out shiny and pretty, because right now my hair almost absorbs light. It's the antithesis of shine. It looks like if you take a flashlight and like shone it on a Cheeto. This sectioning is a pipe dream. All right, are you ready? If this is going well, which it already is, maybe I throw some of this in my fucking eyebrows. When I shaved them, I feel like they grew back within the month. But when I bleached my eyebrows, they are still oh, I'm making it worse. They are still so bleached. Ow, ooh, ow. Listen to that. Doesn't that sound like hair care at its finest? Oh, bitch, I look like a superhero. I've made myself a nice hot mess here. Oh God, I'm just making this worse and worse. I think this is the darkest my hair has ever been. I was serious about that YouTuber thing. I feel like now I am only gonna refer to myself as a YouTuber. You guys slept on that word. You didn't think of it. It's now my brand, guys. I'm a YouTuber. See, look, I feel like the black shirt was a great plan. I should have sectioned my hair. Why do I do this to me? Look at all this blonde in here. This color is pretty natural. Look in my eyes. Tell me this color isn't bringing out all the blue in my eyes. This sounds like when you stir a bowl of macaroni. Can you hear my hair just dying? Watch, I go to just like shower and all my hair just falls out. Oh, I don't know how long this stays on for. Maybe we'll do like 40 minutes. I feel like that's a good measure of time, right? Like every hair color is like 40 minutes. Yeah. I think that's right. Like, you know how you sometimes when you go to a salon and you sit under like a hair dryer? What if you just do this enough and it's like the friction creates the heat and it does the same thing? I feel like it's making my light skin look nice. Then I don't have to feel so bad about being a person that literally never goes outside because now I have a hair color that complements that. Like last year, I was so vitamin D deficient, I got prescribed a vitamin D pill that I only had to take once a week. All you people that joke about not going outside and not getting enough sun, try me, bitch! It's like $5, so like 2 things is like $10. This is definitely $10 worth of fun. Are you kidding me? Let me show you really quick. So yes, the outside of my brow is shaved. I like to shave them sometimes. You know this by now. Oh, how did this happen? Why do we even bother wearing gloves? Whatever! So usually I feel like people would be like, take a clean spoolie and like do it and only leave it on there for like 2 seconds. Okay, yeah. I'll take a spoolie that's on the other side of a brow pencil and I'm just gonna brush it in there. I feel like it's looking better already. See how bleached that is still? How long ago is that? Like if we're just gonna run to the grocery store real quick, I'm like, hold on, let me pencil in my brows. I don't wanna scare any children. Fuck with me. I'm a brunette. I'm excited to see just how semi-permanent this is. Tell me I'm wrong here, but this doesn't look like the kind of color that's just gonna wash out real quick. You know what I'm saying? It's definitely like a subtle change. Like not dramatic, not drastic at all. It's just like a nice, subtle winter change. I mean, forget about a towel for my shoulders. What the fuck? I am second guessing my method. Look at all these spots I missed. Yeah, but like scalp coverage, 10 out of 10. I'm just kidding, you're not supposed to dye your scalp. I'm gonna try taking my brows off. I mean, didn't really work. Maybe I should leave it on a little longer. Give me your honest opinion. What do you think? I guess I'll let these sit a little longer. Look at my ear. Hell yeah. I think after I take off my brows, then we'll rinse out my hair and see how we did. Just a nice, subtle, blue eyebrow never hurt anybody. I didn't just want this color on my hair, I wanted it all over my face and body and neck. I'm going to go rinse out my hair. I'm very excited. Let's do it. Okay, I feel like there's still a lot of color in it. Semi-permanent is kind of the jam right now. I can definitely see where it like didn't really take in my roots, which is fine. Really doesn't feel that bad. Feels kind of fine. It also doesn't burn anywhere. Like, this is kind of fucking rad. All right, I'm gonna dry my hair and then we can just do a nice little cut, you know? Professional little cut. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but we'll see what the color looks like and then figure it out. So I'm just gonna do some nice hot heat on it to keep it healthy, you know? Oh my God. This is amazing. It feels great. The color is great, especially like on this side and like down here, but like over here, I definitely have this like, I dyed my hair by myself at home alone. And you know, there's like a little red in there still, like there's some weird shit going on in there. But overall, bitch, I like it a lot. It's dark, it's fun. I look like a superhero. It's time to cut. If there's anything that I learned from the last time I cut my bangs, it's like, don't even bother with all this extra shit, all this partying shit. Like, just fucking get in there and do it. When I was a young boy, my father drove me into the city. Oh, shit. And we're done. Should I like tie a string around this and hang it on my Christmas tree? Ooh, do people like razor cut their hair? What if I got my razor and did it? It's gonna get all the benefits of this shea butter and stuff. Back to the scissors it is. It's a little twisty, a little choppy. Oh, hell yeah. I'm looking like a fly-ass blue mop, bitch. Like, I feel like I've just been chopping like this for so long and they're still not looking regular. I am Edward fucking Scissorhands. There, like a nice, blunt, side bang. Oh no, see how it's like longer in the front and then it gets shorter? Might have to work on that. Should I just go full bang? Should I do it Type in the comments now. My worry is that if I go like full bang, that it's just gonna be way too much fun. We'll do a ton of this so that it comes out looking regular. Get fucked. Like, I'm trying to do the most efficient thing, you know? And the most efficient thing is just cutting them straight across. Why do I have to do all of this? Oh girl, look at that. I look like my mom in like 1960, bitch. I promise you, you do not have to be concerned about me, okay? I'm in a good place in life. Just because I now have little mini bangs does not mean that I'm out of control. Look at, bitch, I am an anime character. Let's keep going. Will you guys give me like an anime name? I'm trying to get to the point in life where someday when my kids see pictures and videos of me, they're like, who the fuck is that? That's what the fuck I'm talking about. So I think Julian's about to be home in like 10 or so minutes. So I'm just gonna like kick back, act like nothing happened. Everything's normal. Welcome home. Does this look natural? Hi, Yacht.
I literally said in the car, why do I have a feeling that Jenna's gonna prank me when I get home?
I didn't prank you.
It looks so cute!
I just dyed my hair.
Did you cut it too?
Just my bangs.
Girl! What are you fighting? You look so cute.
It looked like a little anime.
I was gonna say, you look like your hands are blue.
Yeah.
Like blue.
It happens.
You do. You look like an anime chick.
Yeah.
You're like cosplaying.
Yeah, but it's like my life now.
I have something to show you though.
Wait, what? Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Juliet!
This might be one of my favorite looks.
Really?
Yeah, because it's so different than anything you've done, right?
Yeah, it's like really dark.
And it's like the way you're wearing it is like very cute. It's pigtails.
It's pigtails, beach with some bangs, beach. It's not permanent color. It's only semi-permanent, so it might not. I don't really know.
I don't know things either.
It sounds less permanent though.
Wait, did you do this by yourself in the bathroom upstairs?
Boy, who the fuck you think did it?
Is the bathroom blue?
No, it's not. I really made sure to not make the same mistake as the red. It's not everywhere. There's not hair everywhere.
Why do I feel like that's not true?
It's true! You can believe me!
Did I talk to you on the phone while you were already blue haired today?
Yeah!
Damn it!
Got you!
Oh, look at my girlfriend!
It's cute, right?
You look so fucking cute.
Yeah, it's semi-permanent, so that's like...
I don't know what that means.
I don't know either, but like after a
your
little
hair's
bit,
dyed.
it's just
it's
gonna...
either there's no semi. Your hair's either dyed or it's regular.
It says semi-permanent. I feel like this is low commitment.
No, it's
Yeah.
that's an excuse.
I think
you're
it's low
an enabler
commitment.
to yourself. It's really cool. It makes
Do
me
you
want to
like the
dye my
color?
hair. I love the color.
See how it's like...
I've really always loved like navy blue hair like this.
Do you see how though it's like not super dry and damaged because it's not an ammonia like permanent color, so I didn't like destroy my hair. Like it's not gonna fall out of my head. This is all still like pretty much my natural color. It looks like shiny and healthy and smells good, which is a
Does smell
change
good.
for me. It doesn't smell like burnt hair. Julian,
It smells really good.
that's it. My aunt likes it.
I'm like such a big fan of it. Kermit.
Julian,
Oh.
he's so excited.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
He missed you.
Cry
so
if you
much.
love me. Oh.
Well, that's it. My aunt likes it. Roast me in the comments below. All right, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put out interviews every Wednesday/Thursday. Yeah, just give me a score out of 10. Be as brutal as you want, bitch. I don't give a fuck. Look at my hair. It's great. I love it.
You had a 10 out of 10, but then your hands are blue, so that's an automatic point deduction.
I will also, though, for real, I will really actually keep you updated about what semi-permanent actually means.
We're gonna do some research. We'll be back.
We'll find out. All right, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.
Otter, turn around. Turn around. Let me see your neck. Oh my! You look like an avatar from behind. Oh shit!
Nobody sees the back of you.